William, you want to see? Here we go.
She's eating, so just be aware.
Okay.
William? Hi, big brother.
Easy, easy.
Hi.
Yes.
Come on up.
You sit up on the bed with Mama? We're just gonna do one thing real quick.
Yeah, we just have to wash your hands a little bit.
We're gonna wash them together.
Sorry, they literally just...
No, that's okay.
Where is the doctor?
I don't know where the doctor is.
Ready? Oh, there's your butt.
Just not near her belly.
Bunny! Louisa, look what your big brother brought you.
Very gently.
Look at her. William, do you see her? Do you want to touch her head?
Very gentle.
Very soft.
Very gentle.
Baby sleep a lot.
Babies do sleep a lot. She's eating right now.
How babies eat?
Mommy's feeding her.
But
Cool,
now
huh?
you can wrestle with me.
Now I can wrestle with you? Not
Now
quite.
we're a family of 4, William. Now we have our Wheezy baby
We
here.
have our Weezy baby.
Look how tiny she
And
is.
you brought her flower bunny. Thank you so much. Oh, she
Look how
loves
little her,
it.
look how little her head is, Mom. It's really silly, isn't it?
Isn't her hair nice and soft?
Wait, doctor is to take care of her.
Mommy's taking care of her right now.
But where is the doctor?
The doctor is